Hello everyone.
Hello again.
Welcome back to our channel and hello from our kitchen.
Yeah.
We haven't filmed here in a while and we have a bit of a heat wave here in the UK.
Yeah. Yes, a really big heat wave.
Yeah, we have. Well, I have to say I'm quite sweaty. We have about 30 degrees Celsius at the minute.
Yeah. I was working from home today in the attic of our house and I would say it's 40 degrees there.
Yeah, it is. And well, we don't really have air conditioning here and it's fine. You get used to it.
Yeah.
But the thing is, it's quite muggy today, so I'm so sweaty. It's like my face is melting off. And well, in times like these, when it's really, really hot, we don't really like to cook.
Yeah.
And we really like salads, don't we?
Something light.
Very light, yeah, something very light. And we thought we would share one of our favorite recipes.
A really delicious salad.
Yeah, it's not German, it's not British. I remember I had it last year when we went to see a very nice country house.
Yeah.
And I had this salad, which was similar, so we got inspired to do it ourselves.
Yeah.
And we just want to share it. And it's really, really easy. I think it takes you about 15 minutes and then it's done. Anything else?
No, let's start.
Let's start? Okay. Now this is what you need. You need watermelon, and this is a whole watermelon. You need lemon, feta, of course, salt and pepper, and very important, mint and olive oil. So I'm going to make the dressing first, which is so easy, it's ridiculous almost. Now for the dressing you need, this is a quarter of a cup olive oil, and then the juice of 2 lemons. Then season with salt and pepper. And whisk together. Now slicing the watermelon is probably the hardest part of this recipe, and probably we won't be needing all of it because the bowl is not that big, but we eat it like that anyway. So I think that's enough, and then take your dressing, pour over. I forgot something. Add the mint, which is, we have to say, the best part because it makes it so special and fresh. Toss gently, mix it all together. Now the last step is take your feta and simply crumble it. It depends if you like more feta or if you're quite hungry, because watermelon is not really filling, is it? So we most of the time use a bit more feta, so it's like a meal, a very light meal. Mix together, and if you like watermelon, we really love it, you will love this salad. And that's basically it. That's all. It's so easy. One of the easiest recipes ever, I have to say, but so refreshing and perfect for very hot days. Joerg wants to try it. Let me know if something is missing.
Excellent.
More salt or pepper? Perfect like that. That's good. I think it gets even better like after an hour.
Mm-hmm.
So like the watermelon, when the watermelon is like soaked.
So I think this was really good.
Yes, and well, I don't know. I haven't even tried it, to be honest.
The salad is really tasty.
It is, yeah. And well, our initial plan was going to Chester, Joerg, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And yeah.
It looks like we're getting some thunderstorms and rain.
Yes, the weather forecast said thunderstorms. So we said we'll do it tomorrow in part 2 of this video because we wanted to show you Chester.
Yeah, because Chester is a place where we had our first flat.
Yes, this is where we moved 4.5 years ago.
Yeah.
This is crazy. I can't believe it.
Yeah.
And yeah, we just want to have a wander around and show you Chester a little bit and hope it will work out somehow.
Yeah, it will.
Yeah, and it's getting exciting for us. We'll let you know why. I think, well, I don't know. I'm quite excited for next week Friday.
Yeah, me too.
Yes. So stay tuned for part 2.
Hello again.
As promised, we are in Chester today for a nice evening stroll.
Yeah.
It's quite nice for a change today. I think a bit, it has cooled down.
Yes, it's really cooled down.
Yeah.
And just as we said yesterday, we had some thunderstorms.
Bad ones.
Bad ones. And the water was really, really rushing down the street.
Yeah, we had we didn't have flooding in the house, but some people had. And the thunderstorm lasted for hours and hours. It was horrendous.
And to be honest, we just forgot to film it.
We had loss of power, like I don't know, 4 times.
4 times, yes.
It was crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I don't know.
Yeah.
We just came home from work and we said we'd go for a nice evening stroll around Chester. It's about a 20-minute drive from where we live, 20-25 minutes, and we haven't been to Chester in quite a while.
I think the last time was in March.
Yeah, before lockdown and everything, and we really like it. It's such a beautiful city with, well, it is a medieval city and has a beautiful wall, a city wall, right?
Yeah, city wall, which goes around the old city.
Yeah, it is about 2 miles, and we said because to show you everything we would need 4 hours, so we will just walk along the wall.
Give you a glimpse.
Yeah, give you a little glimpse, and we hope you enjoy. By the way, we are now at Chester Racecourse. It has, I think, Joerg, this is one of the oldest race courses in England. I'm not entirely sure.
I'm not sure.
We moved here, I won't forget. One of the first things we did is we went to a horse race.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah, it was funny.
It was a fun experience, but we haven't done it since, so it wouldn't be, it's not our favorite pastimes, but it was interesting, wasn't it?
Yeah, but I'm not betting on horses.
No, we're not great. We're not really fond of betting.
No, because I can't tell if they're fast or slow.
We came here almost every day when we lived here. We lived right in the city centre and went for a stroll basically every night, and it's so nice. This is Chester Castle. It's so nice tonight. I really enjoy it. Joerg and I always say if you're planning a trip to England, especially to the northwest of England, make sure to visit Chester because it's so beautiful.
Yeah, and it's a city full of history.
Yes. This is the River Dee and it's lovely here. And we still haven't shared why the two of us are so excited about next week.
Yeah, we're going to Germany.
And we can't tell you how much we're looking forward to seeing our families.
Yeah, especially really with family. We're missing them.
Oh, we miss them so much. And it's my parents' golden wedding anniversary, and well, we of course we wanted to go months ago, but we weren't sure if it would happen.
Yeah.
It will be quite, I don't know, that sounds a bit terrible, but quite stressful because we only have like 10 days.
10 days? 8 days?
10 days minus 2 days of travel.
Yeah.
And then this leaves us like 8 days to see everyone.
And so it's very cramped.
Busy.
Busy.
So we try to film our trip, and we won't be traveling within Germany. Just, I don't know, we can show you more about where I grew up and where you grew up, just a little bit, tiny glimpses. So yeah, that's what we can do, and we hope you will like that. And the area across the bridge is one of our favourite areas here in Chester, with beautiful houses, and it's very peaceful within the city. It's quite nice. And before we lose all of the light, we should go to the, I don't know, city centre, to where the shops are, so that you can see the houses.
What makes Chester very special are the so-called rows.
Yes, and I don't know how to describe it. I think it's like second-tier building. So you have shops on street level, but also like in the so-called rows, and that makes it very special and cozy.
And I think they date back to the 15th or 16th century.
Yeah.
At least Elizabethan times.
Yeah, I think that is so unique about Chester. We came here to spend, I think we spent a holiday in North Wales.
Yes.
And Chester is right by the Welsh border. And we came to Chester and remember how much we liked it.
Yes, because it's very special.
Very special. And we're going down now to film the so-called rows. So here it says the rows could be described as the oldest shopping arcade in Britain, and they were built about 1200 and 1315, so very old. And this is it, you have shops here on street level, and now I'm going to show you the rows. And there are more shops here, so plenty of shops in Chester actually. Seeing more rows here, basically everywhere here in the city centre. Feels weird, Jörg, because we haven't been here in almost, I don't know, half a year. To see all the shops is like seeing it for the first time. It's really strange. And this is Chester Cathedral, which is beautiful inside. There's a beautiful courtyard inside of the cathedral as well, which is, you can just go there and it's really peaceful. We can absolutely recommend it.
So this was our short walk through Chester.
Yes, and we hope you liked it. And it was just a little glimpse, but maybe you got a bit of an idea about this beautiful city.
Yeah, and when we lived in Chester, we did such a walk nearly every day.
Yes, we did. And we're not sure about next week. Probably we'll only post one video because, well, we have to
prepare
our trip.
Yeah, back to Germany.
Yes, this is so, I don't know.
I'm really excited.
I am so excited as well. I can't wait to see my parents, my sisters, everyone. It's so exciting. So we'll see you again next week, and then from Germany. And take care, guys.
Yeah, take care.
And see you soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye.